want to welcome you to Global Markets Radio Daily Preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Thursday, November the 18th, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Last night, getting right to it, we did have a number of numbers that came out. London, retail sales pretty much in line. Revision was worse, but CBI industrial order expectations was better than expected, negative 15. GM IPO, basically one of the reasons, I guess, why the futures are up so much. Again, listen to globalmarketsradio.com, my daily recap. We nailed it. Oh, baby. But look at this dollar index rolling over. Looks like either right here or easy 78. I think we're probably going to hold around here. And I think tomorrow, we hit 78. But certainly looking like the dollar, not very good. Very bad. And again, globalmarketsradio.com. I hope you guys and girls were able to listen to it. Because we nailed it. Oh, my goodness, did we nail it. S&Ps going higher. Yes, I tried shorting some up 10. Not really got hurt that bad. Actually, trade worked if you booked it within like an hour. Pretty good is damn right. But again, look at this daily chart. We're going up. But again, yesterday's high or day before's high, very key. Look at the hourly chart. I believe that's right around, that was right here. 1205? I don't think so. No. That was around 1195. So we're about 5 handles from previous day high. That would be pretty significant, in my opinion. And, big resistance at this 1195 level. Should we break through there? Oh, boy. Yeah, again, 1195, very big spot. That would take our previous day high. We could go higher, 1200. I don't see that happening, not today. Again, remember, Philly Fed on tap. I think the market's going to sell off into this. How could the market just rip into Philly Fed? We have 2.5 hours. So, again, I think the S&Ps are going to come in. I think gold's going to come in. I don't think this is running away. But I certainly see us coming in before Philly Fed. Looking at oil, looks like it's going to bounce a little more. 82.50, big spot on the daily. And, of course, gold. Having a nice day. Another one filling in the gap here. Trade 1365. 13 even 70-ish. 75 would be a good spot. All right, let's get to the euro dollar. Again, people, listen to my audio. It's the first thing you hear when you come on Global Markets Radio. Bang. Looking at the euro dollar daily chart. Again, bouncing up to 137 easy. Damn it. I don't know what you're waiting for either. I am hot. Look at the euro to me again. We're coming right to resistance. Big spot here. We go up to about 137. It'd still be a short. Right about that, yeah. 137. Definitely a big spot there. Even right here. El Cable bouncing El Bige to El Mune. Unfortunately, I used that as a hedge. Shorted. But, listen. 1 bad, 5 good. 2 men enter, 1 man leave. Look at this, again, this sterling dollar chart. We're coming right to resistance. And I think maybe we get a bounce up maybe to 161. That could be tomorrow. And then we reverse. Reverse on Friday? Hell yeah. It could even be today again. Philly Fed coming out, baby. Dollar Swiss. Rolling over. I'm still short it. Looks like 98.05. Easy. Texas 3-step, baby. Aussie dollar looks deliciously good. Head and shoulders, left shoulder. We can bounce up to par. Not today. Again, 99 is huge resistance in my opinion. Should we take out 99, we could have clear sailing to par easy. But I don't know. I don't think it's going to happen. But I think we meet resistance. I think, again, Philly Fed is going to suck. Markets should sell off ahead of that. But then, more QE2. more Bernanke printing money. Maybe part of this had to do with the fact that business tried to get Bernanke to stop printing as much, and they were successful in getting him to stop, but only temporarily. And then yesterday you hear he's going ahead and churning up the printing presses once again. Dollar Canada looks like a nice short, selling a strength here. I'm long it, but I'm going to be out and short at some point. Over 102.50, it's gone to the moon. New Zealand, love it. Oh, baby, to the moon. It's broken out. Looks like it's going to get up over 78, I would say. Something like that. And again, we got numbers coming up out of the U.S. We got leading index out of Canada. Wholesale sales out of Canada. Trigé speaking at 8:30. Unemployment claims for the U.S. Look for those to be a little bit better, I think. And then again, Philly Fed at 10. Mortgage delinquencies at 10. Leading index out of the U.S. at 10. Tied at 2. Oh, baby. So, again, looking at some of these charts, again, a lot of times we have time now, obviously. I could do a little different. You look at the hourly chart, which is what I love. Love the hourly. Love the Drake. Starting to turn. The worm has turned. This whole violent downward move has now turned. But like I said, I still see a Thursday, a Thanksgiving bottom. I'm not calling this. Euro's not going, in my opinion, all the way back up. I think we got a, Texas three-step. One more day, reversal, come back down ahead of Thanksgiving, bottom, top in the dollar, going into Thanksgiving, and then a year-end rally. Oh, baby. But look at this dollar, euro-dollar hourly chart. It's turning. And 136.50 was our spot. My team should have lightened up. And look at sterling on the hourly, too. This baby. Big. How about that Euro-Canada trade? That was deliciously good. Euro-Canada to the moon. Broke out. Didn't really get much of a pullback last night, did it? Didn't get much of a pullback like I was hoping for. Looks very good. Euro-Yen. How about that one? Gone like the wind. Was trying to get a pullback last night. Didn't really get one, did we? It's just gone straight up. So, oh well. I was looking for 112. And dollar yen, let's look at the hourly chart. Dollar yen. Euro yen looks like a short to me, actually. Again, Philly Fed, I think all these moves reverse ahead of Philly Fed. After, that's another story. So, again, most of you should have been lightened up. Taking your profit, if anything, maybe even reversing. And look at this dollar yen. Hasn't done anything. I'm short it. I still think we break lower today. And last one, I'm going to give you Euro sterling. And again, hey, come into my chat room. You'll see everything. Euro sterling broke out also, but now rolling over after CBI came out, all right? Much better. Industrial order expectations, negative 15. Big number. So I'm not so sure about this anymore. Any pop I'd be getting out. Target, I had 86, but 85.50 certainly looks like a nice spot of resistance. Okay, everyone, good luck today again. I'm not calling for I don't know if we're going to reverse. I think we're going to sell off ahead of Philly Fed. If Philly Fed is a disaster, the market might gap down on that, but then say, well, wait, more QE2. Bernanke to the rescue, right? So be careful on thinking just because a bad Philly Fed comes out that the market's going to tank. If anything, it would be the opposite probably. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need. Bond yield's very important too. Who truly loves to make you money. Have a good day. Make me proud. Hopefully you're done for the day and you're going to take your dog or walk on the beach. Oh, baby. Have a good one. Bye-bye.